Understand.
With the first aid course, you will learn to provide initial care in case of illness or injury until medical help arrives. In this course, I will tell you about the basics of first aid measures. We will need some tools in this course as first aid kit. I'll tell you more about its contents. For those families who have small children, I'd recommend that you keep a book about first aid at home, as it contains emergency solutions for any health problems you might face. We are a work team, me and my kids, Gabriel and Noah, and I'm going to tell you about the basics of first aid. There are 5 principles of first aid that you should always bear in mind. They are: stay away from danger. Please protect yourself first. For example, if there is an accident, do not endanger yourself in order to rescue the victim. Please first make sure that you are safe before offering help to others. Find out what the victim's problems are. Collect the vital data. For example, you should check the victim's breathing, pulse, and if there are any wounds on the body, and if there's any bleeding or any signs of bleeding. Was the victim hit? Did he or she drown? Try to collect as many information as possible about the victim. It's also important to know the victim's name and address, and the address of the place in which you are present. Then call the emergency number. I'd recommend that you save emergency numbers on your mobile phone, and at home you should write it down on a sticker beside your phone or stick it on the refrigerator. It should be in a clear and obvious place in order to find it easily and call quickly. Help the victim by doing the needed first aid measures. Wait for ambulance arrival while sitting beside the victim. So the 5 points of first aid that you should always remember are: number 1, stay away from danger. Number 2, collect information about the victim's identity, problem, and location. Number 3, call the emergency number. Number 4, help the victim by doing the first aid measures. And number 5, wait with the victim until medical help arrives. I hope you'll find this course useful. This video contains general information about medical conditions. The content might not be suitable for everyone and should not be treated as such. Always consult your doctor before using medications. The medical information is provided without any warranties or legal obligations to those who might apply them.